Hello folks, again, I'm back again with another Ancestry tutorial for you folks, and it's Metalman873 here today, so yep. Anyway, so yep, I've added a few extra names so far, and also for this video I'm going to quickly show you Ancestry Profiles and adding extra facts and information if you needed any, basically. So yep. Right, I'm on a grandfather's profile which I made up on this family tree for the purposes of this video. He's called George Ray. He's the paternal grandfather of Paul Ray Jr. And also, if you go into and also to get this setting up, by the way, to show the relations of people, which you are related, you just go into tree settings, and also who are you in this tree. That would basically if you selected a person, it means basically if you select yourself as a person and where you fall basically in the family tree. And anyway, normally actually that would basically help to identify any unknown ancestors, and plus it would even show the relations of that particular person. So yep. Anyway, basically now we're going to get back to the adding of facts, folks. So yeah. Right. Anyway, so basically for the purposes of this, I'm just going to go into facts. I'm going to go into facts on this version. Anyway, if you use a Kindle, that'll be different, or phone, that'll be different, but that'll come up later on. So this is basically the web version which I'm using basically. So you go into facts, and if you want to add any information, you would basically go into add fact, select event type, and then basically this gives you a whole list of different facts which you could add, basically births, deaths, marriages of a particular people, and all of these which could possibly happen at various points in a person's life. Yep. Well, yep, but yep. The story of a person's life, it's a very, very thick book written at a time, with the chapters being written as it goes along throughout a person's life. So yeah, basically, so I've got on here is his wife called Dorothy Wilkerson, so I'm going to add a marriage fact. And basically this little box would come up, so basically I'm going to add a date, of a made up date actually, for when they got married. So I'm just going to say, how about summer of 1943 for this one? So I'm going to do 1942 basically. How about the 8th of August 1942? 8th of August 1942, select location. Right, we are going to do, how about Canada for this one? Just as an example. Press add, and then that fact would come up in the profile, marriage, date, where, and also plus it even shows how old the person is at the time. So yeah. So now it says he was born in Saltburn by the Sea, and he married Dorothy Wilkerson in 1942, and so the marriage fact comes up. And also, as you go down the profile, on this profile, it even has a map to show the various facts throughout a person's life, where and when it happened. And as you build up the particular facts about a person, it'll add itself automatically onto a profile, and also here build a summary of that particular person's life. So yeah, they got married, birth of son, and also even if a spouse passes away or has, say this for instance. So she died in Saltburn by the Sea, according to this fictional fact, and they were married 52 years. Still, yep. So yep, that's not bad. And also, just to quickly show you this, I'm going to go into Paul Ray's profile. And also, even if you add parents, and at the time of the date of birth of that particular person, it even tells you how old the parents were. So for Paul Ray, for instance, George would have been 28 and Dorothy 21. So, yep, and shows it up here basically. So, yep. Right, anyway, that's it, folks. Right, so basically that's it for the first part of tutorials for now. So, yep. Right, anyway, this is also my 599th video, I'll mention again. So basically, my next video is my 600th YouTube video, which will basically have highlights from my videos from the last 100 videos, or nearly almost just about. So yep, and also I would also like to quickly thank you all so far as always, who are for subscribing to my YouTube channel, also for viewing my videos, and also hoping that they've also been enjoyable to you, and also in the hope that I'll bring out some more entertaining videos at some stage in the future again. So yep. Right, anyway, I hope you all really enjoy my 600th YouTube video when it comes up. And also, plus, since it's December, there'll be some Christmas moments in there as well, so yep, watch out for those. Anyway, and also thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel if you like my YouTube videos. There's plenty on there actually, by the way, so yep. So yep, and also thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all. I'm joking. I'm joking just when I did that, probably. There was a very funny capsule holding the chair legs together, which just made me nearly doze off and go, I'm joking. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.